Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share about vitamin E oil skin treatment and how we can apply it on your face and some of the merits and side effects of vitamin E oil. As we all know, vitamin E oil moisturizes and nourishes our skin. It adds a glow and makes our skin so smoothie as well as healthy. It's also known to reduce hyperpigmentation, right? So now I'm gonna tell you about some of the benefits of vitamin E oil. Number one, it reduces hyperpigmentation. As we all know, vitamin E with vitamin C act as a super sun protector and reduces hyperpigmentation. Number two, it removes dirt. Vitamin E oil removes dirt from pores to give a refreshed as well as smooth appearance. 3. It prevents skin aging. As we all know, the antioxidant present in vitamin E oil improves our blood circulation and makes our skin so smoothie as well as healthy. 4. It removes dirt. Vitamin E oil removes dirt from our pores and it gives a fresh as well as refreshed and smooth appearance. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about some of the side effects of vitamin E oil. So before applying vitamin E oil on your face, just conduct a patch test at the back side of your hand, okay, as it can cause rashes, redness, burns, etc. So just conduct a patch test at the back side of your hand and wait for at least 24 hours. And if the patch test doesn't feel any itchiness, dryness or redness, we can apply it in your face. I'm gonna tell you about how we can apply vitamin E oil on our face. So if we are applying pure vitamin E oil, we must follow some steps. So I'm gonna show you now how we can apply it on our face. Number 1 is washing our face with a cold water and gently pat dry. So cleansing, as we all know, cleansing is the first and the most vital step for every skincare. So I just cleaned my face and washed it off. So nothing is there in my face except kajal. Okay, second step comes, take a hot or a warm towel like this and wrap it around your face for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, it allows our pores to get open up and also soak into the oil better. Okay, so just do like this for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Step comes, we must take 2 capsules of vitamin E oil and just apply it on your face and leave it for at least 15 minutes. So I'm gonna show you now. This is my vitamin E oil. Okay, Evian 400, and I've been using this for more than 4 months. And I'm going to show you now. 2 capsules of vitamin E oil, and now I'm going to do is just taking a needle and taking off the oil out. So just take it like this. 2 capsules of vitamin E oil and just apply it on your face like this. So as we all know, vitamin oil is sticky and stains our bedsheet or pillow. So if you are chosen to apply it overnight, we must take a soft towel and wrap it around the pillow to avoid stickiness. Okay. So just apply like this and leave it for at least 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, we must massage our face like this. It helps to tighten our skin if you are doing like this, and also massage our under eye using fingertip. Just slowly, don't be too harsh on your skin. Just do like this, and after doing this, wash it off using a cold water. Just wash my face. So after washing, we must apply a toner. So better to apply a rose toner or a cucumber toner or a tea tree toner. Okay, so we are applying toner just to get a soothing property and makes our skin so freshy as well as so healthy. So just take a cotton pad like this and a rose water, and take 7 to 8 drops of rose water and apply it on your face to give a fresh as well as refreshed looking. I just applied toner on my face. Okay, so I just want to tell you that we must try it at least twice a week for better result. So if you loved enjoying my video, just give the video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and as well as families, and also subscribe to my channel. So see you on my next video. Till then, bye from Punu's Reward. Tata, bye bye.